In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up basic A/B testing for WordPress in 3 minutes. We'll move quickly, but I'll keep everything clear so you can follow along the first time. Start by signing in to WordPress.com and heading to the Sites section. Choose the site you want to work on so your changes land in the right place. From your site's dashboard, look for the Plugins option in the left menu and open it. If you don't see plugins, make sure your plan supports installing plugins on WordPress.com, since A/B testing tools are installed as plugins. In the plugin directory, use the search bar and type A/B testing. Give the results a moment to load. Among the options, click the entry that mentions A/B testing, conversion rate optimization, and beautiful heat maps with AI assistance. This takes you into a list where you'll find the plugin we want. Select Nelio A/B testing. A/B tests and heat maps for better conversion. Optimization to open its details page. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the tabs across the top of the plugin page. In description, you'll see a quick overview of what the tool can test and how it integrates with your editor. In installation, check any notes specific to WordPress.com and any required permissions. In changelog, confirm the plugin is actively maintained and compatible with your WordPress version. And in FAQs, skim answers to common setup questions so you know what to expect. This quick review helps avoid surprises later. When you're ready, click Get Started. WordPress.com will guide you through setting up a site with this plugin enabled. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to choose how to connect a domain. If you need a new domain, click Search Domains and pick one that fits your brand. If you already have a domain you want to use, choose the option that says you already have a domain. This lets you connect an existing address without buying a new one. Follow the prompt to enter or confirm your domain. Then click Continue. WordPress.com will create or update your site with the A/B testing plugin included and prepare your dashboard. Let the setup run until it finishes. Avoiding page refreshes. Here prevents configuration hiccups. That's it. You've added a proven A/B testing solution to your WordPress site, and you're ready to start comparing variations of pages, headlines, or buttons to see what actually converts. In your dashboard, you'll find the plugins area where you can create your first experiment, review heat maps, and monitor results. Keep your tests simple at first. Run them long enough to gather real data, and make